Hi everyone, Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas to which I've added some white paint, and I am using, where'd my blue go? You know, I'm using ultramarine blue, scarlet lake red and cadmium yellow acrylic by Creative Artist Collection. So I don't know if you've ever seen that. I've used it before and it's been quite good. I just don't know where I put my blue. Hang about. Creative blue. That's cobalt. Purple. Goodness. Where did she go? There it is. I found it. That's the ultramarine deep blue, and it, as you can see, the colours really are very, very pretty. They're bright. So I'm going to have another go at a Dutch pour. At the very best, my Dutch pours have been pretty poor. But I'm going to try another, just at least one more, just to see how we go. Now in the yellow and the red I have put a couple of drops of OGX. So when these colours mix a bit, I'm hoping to retain the colours that I'm using, but I might get a bit of green and I could get a bit of orange. That would be nice. Maybe some purple. But we'll see what we get. What we get, we can't complain about because that'll be the lot. Okay. So I'm going to put a bit of white around the edge. In the past, I think I've used too much paint and it hasn't really worked. So I'll move these paints out of my way. You can see how bright that is. Can you really see? Let me look. Yes, you can. So here we go with this trusty, noisy thing. Well, that has to be one of my better ones. In fact, it very nearly is my best. But I'm going to do this and blow that out too. So just a bit more noise. Off you go, find the right switch and it turns off. Right, where's my tube? There she is. And here we go. liking this. Okay, now I'm going to just put the torch on that and see what that looks like. I'm really quite happy with this. I am just going to get some of these paints off the floor here to cover these corners a bit. And I think that's just about got them. Taking the paint off from underneath. Lift that a little bit. Get that off there. Didn't have much. And I'll come around and do this last end. Alright. Now some white perhaps. Just to make sure this corner's got enough. Right. Now these corners, I think that corner there could have some white. Yeah, I think this corner's alright and these corners are good. So I'm just going to blow that off now. Okay, so that is really pretty. I'm very happy. There's this. Bring that blue out a bit more. Okay, that's made me happy. All right, I'm going to bring you down to take a look and see what you think. I think it's lovely, it really is. And that's what I've been looking at. And I'd say this is my best one to date. So that's what the trick is, less paint. I've been showering it with paint and didn't need to. That's why they haven't turned out as pretty as what they should. And as you can see, I've got some lovely cells happening there. And the blue. But this red here, that really is nice. Not so much of the yellow coming through, but that's okay, because I think I'll do another one in a minute with a black background and we'll just see how it goes. But there you are. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this one the thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.